Hi, what's your name? Which class are you studying? You know rhymes? Say twinkle twinkle rhyme, Nana. Stand up. Stand up with action. Keep it there. Ringa ringa.
Ringa ringa roses, pocket full of roses. Party show, yes, all done.
Very good.
Colors are blue, body is pink, and so are you.
Early to bed.
Early to bed, early to rise. Excitement, very, and why?
God bless mommy, sir.
God bless mommy, God bless daddy, God bless teacher, and for loving to make them happy.
Chubby cheeks, say right.
Equal chain, lolly lips, tally hair, Raisa blow, deep then, teacher's friend, SS.
Okay. I have a little nose. You know rhyme, say? Say.
A little nose.
I have a little nose. Rhyme, Nana. That is one rhyme. Say.
Have a little nose. Have a little chin. Have a little mouth. Good morning, Daddy.
A for apple.
A for apple. Round and sweet. Red apple. So good to eat.
Very good. Okay, next one. You know body parts? Say body parts.
Head. Yes. Eyes.
Yes.
Yes. Eyes. Nose. Mouth. Chin.
Correct.
Cheeks. Neck. Shoulders. Hands. Fingers. Stomach. Legs.
Very good. Did you good job? Very good, Bangaru.